This comprehensive technical indicator is designed for traders who require a granular view of market participation that goes beyond standard volume bars. By leveraging the advanced intrabar analysis capabilities of PineScript, this tool deconstructs every single price candle on your chart into its constituent lower timeframe components. It effectively X-rays the market to determine whether the volume inside a bar was primarily driven by aggressive buying or aggressive selling, providing a definitive read on market sentiment and institutional control. Originality and utility. Most standard volume indicators display a simple aggregate total, a single block of volume that fails to distinguish between buying pressure and selling pressure. A high-volume candle could represent a strong breakout, or it could represent a selling tail where buyers were absorbed. This script solves that ambiguity. It is not a standard oscillator, it is a quantitative flow analyzer. It reconstructs the delta, the net difference between buying and selling volume, by querying lower timeframe data, e.g., analyzing 1-minute data inside a 60-minute bar. This allows traders to spot hidden accumulation, where price is flat but delta is rising, or exhaustion, where price rises but delta falls, offering a significant edge in identifying reversals and trend continuations. Methodology. The script operates through a sophisticated 3-stage quantitative process. Intrabar data acquisition. The script uses the security_lower_TF function to fetch granular price and volume data from a lower timeframe, automatically detected or user-defined. This allows the script to see what happened inside the current charts bar. Directional flow distribution. For every lower timeframe interval, the script assigns volume to either bullish flow or bearish flow. If the close is higher than the open on the lower timeframe, the volume is credited to buyers. If the close is lower, it is credited to sellers. This logic is far more accurate than simple up/down tick data, as it respects price action. A statistical volatility normalization. To filter out noise, the script calculates a dynamic baseline using an exponential moving average (EMA) of the absolute delta values. It then compares the current bar's delta against this baseline. This generates an intensity score, measured in sigma or standard deviations. This ensures that a high-volume signal is relevant to the current market volatility, rather than relying on fixed, arbitrary thresholds. How to use. This tool is designed to be a complete decision support system. Here is how to interpret its various components. The volume histogram. The background histogram displays total volume, while the foreground bars show the split between buying, teal, and selling, red, flow. Use this to gauge the quality of a move. A price rally accompanied by high teal volume is healthy, a rally on low volume or high red volume is suspect. The delta histogram. This plots the net difference. Strong positive, green, delta, indicates aggressive market buy orders are hitting the ask. Strong negative, red, delta, indicates aggressive market sell orders are hitting the bid. Divergence. If price makes a new high but the delta histogram makes a lower high, this is a classic signal of exhaustion and potential reversal. The heads-up display, HUD. A dashboard table pinned to the chart provides real-time metrics. Session delta, the cumulative buy-sell pressure for the current trading day. Flow regime, clearly states if the market is in accumulation or distribution. Intensity, shows how statistically significant the current volume is, e.g., 2.5x means the volume is 2.5 times the standard deviation, indicating an anomaly. Visual signals. The script plots triangle markers on top of the chart when the delta intensity exceeds the user-defined threshold. Up triangle, green signals strong institutional buying pressure, delta threshold. Down triangle, red signals strong institutional selling pressure, delta threshold. Inputs and configuration. Lower timeframe. By default, the script auto-selects the best resolution, e.g., 1-minute data for hourly charts. Users can override this to fine-tune the granularity. Volume MA length defines the look-back period for the volume moving average. Delta volatility threshold, sigma. This is the sensitivity filter for signals. A higher value, e.g., 2.0, results in fewer but more significant signals. A lower value, e.g., 1.0, provides more frequent alerts. Visual logic. Users can toggle the dashboard, delta histogram, and moving averages on or off to suit their charting aesthetic.